Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to tell you something about graphical user interface. The today's video is about how to use slider in MATLAB. So for that purpose you have to just type guide in MATLAB. It will open graphical user interface toolbox. Just click on blank GUI default and just click on OK. It will open one more window, and here we are going to create our basic graphical user interface, which consists of slider, isn't it? Now just select one slider from this menu bar. So we are having slider over here, so just take the slider. Yes, so this is my slider, and just right click on the slider and just open property inspector, and just convert this font name from MS ScanUp Serif to Cambria. Font size from 8 to 12, normal to bold, and you have to keep this tag in your mind, that is slider 1 is a tag. You have to remember this tag because we just use this tag. We are going to use this tag for linking code, in linking code, isn't it? One more thing you have to modify here, that is the value of min and value of max. So just convert this min value from 0 to 100, sorry, 0 to minus 100, or just make it to 0, and the value of max I'm going to convert it to 0, sorry, 100. The value of min is 0 and the value of max is 100. It means that the mean value of slider is 0 and the max value of slider is 100. Now just take one static text and place over here. Right click on the static text and just open property inspector, convert color, just take any color, font size from, or font name you have to convert it to Cambria, font size from 8 to, I'm going to convert it to 14, and bold, and just make this string to blank. Okay, and just keep this tag text1 is in your mind, or remember this tag, that is text1, because we will use this tag for linking code, isn't it? Now just close this properties vector. Okay, now save this .fig file with the name my slider. So I'm going to save this file with my slider. Just click on save button. It will take few seconds. File, and I have with name my slider.fig file. Now, so this is the equivalent.m file for this fig file. Okay, now just right click on the slider and just click on view callback. Okay, now we are going to write our code here. So just write val is equal to get into bracket handles dot. Now you have to write a tag of the slider. The tag of the slider is slider1. So just paste over here, comma into single inverted value, and you have to set this value variable to the static text. Now I'm going to set this set into bracket handles dot text1 comma into single inverted string comma val. It means that we are setting this variable val to the tag text1, and this is the tag of static text. Means we are going to display the value of val variable to the static text of text1, isn't it? Now just save this file and just run this file and check it out how my output will looks like. I'm going to move the slider. Yes, the mean value of slider is 0 and the max value of slider is 100. We can move correspondingly 99, 98, 97, 94. Likewise, the slider is moves from left to right. The values are looks like this. So this is how my slider wheel works in MATLAB graphical user interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of MATLAB, in the field of graphical user interface, then just go to my YouTube channel, like my all the videos and share my all the videos. Thank you so much.